Hey, welcome to my channel, AZ Scoper. Today I'm going to start a series of videos about, as you can see, rolling toolbox systems. I'm going to absolutely destroy some of these boxes in the testing process to see if they hold up to abuse from day-to-day use in harsh environments. There's also a giveaway at the end of this series of videos, which I'll explain at the end of the video, so stick around. I had no idea there were so many of these, but I bought them all so you guys can know which is best and what fits your needs before dropping several hundred or even thousands of dollars on a system. I've got boxes from all the major manufacturers. As you can see, there's a lot to do, so I decided to break up the videos and give each system the time and attention they deserve. What prompted this whole crusade is my initial experience with the Ridgid 2.0 system and then my massive disappointment with the Milwaukee system and their melting latches, which I briefly explained in my first video, which is worth watching if you haven't. I returned all the Milwaukee Packout products I was able to after putting some of the Klein boxes in the same situation which the Milwaukee Packouts failed. The Klein did very well, but they've been really slow to release their product lineup, and I got tired of waiting around after a few months for the organizers to be released. So I decided to look elsewhere. Then I thought, well, maybe I should review them. And as you can see, I repurchased another Milwaukee Packout stack so I can stay fair and run them through all the same tests as the others. All the boxes are brand new, never used, and purchased directly through major retailers. So here's what's going to happen in these videos. I'm going to give a full overview of each box. Where are they made? What's the price of the stack? What's the price of the other products in the system? What are the manufacturer's claims? Weight capacity, each box's total weight capacity, IP rating, etc. What does it mean, or are they telling the truth? How much does each box weigh, and how much does the full 3-box stack weigh? Also, what are the measurements and internal volume capacity? What are the features of each box and organizer? What's included? What size are the wheels? How are the wheels held on, and how thick are the axles? Ease of use. How complete and available is the system's product lineup? What is the warranty? I'm going to test the customer service wait times and responses. That's right. After it's all said and done, I'm going to get on the phone with each company's customer service department and see how they handle customers with broken boxes. I'll test for lid flex, rain test, wind and rain tests, water submersion test, UV test, do they break down in the sunlight quickly, rolling test, wheel durability test, drop off the roof test, fall out of the truck test, max weight capacity test, stacking lock test and dirty test, chemical resistance test, cold weather impact test, forced lid test, stool test. Can you stand on it in a pinch? Sorry about all the noisy puppies in my neighborhood, especially in my backyard. They just won't stop. But as promised, there's a giveaway. At the end of this series of videos, I'm going to give away a brand new 3-box stack of whatever set of boxes wins these tests and proves it's the best overall. Here's how to enter to win. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Then you have to leave a comment and send me your guess on which system will win. If you guess correctly, you'll be entered into a drawing from which the lucky winner will be chosen at random. The winner has to reside in one of the 50 United States, and I'll have it shipped directly to you. You only get one entry per person, and that person must have their own YouTube account. I'll accept submissions until the second test video of the series is posted, which will be in 1 month, so I can properly do the UV solar degradation test. The winner will be announced in the final video of the series, and they must contact me after the video is posted. So keep watching and good luck, and thank you for watching.